Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Notes Islamiat Class 9th. Topic is Year of Delegations, Wufood. We have three detailed questions and answers. The first question, importance of Year of Delegations and its effects on farewell pilgrimage. So, first of all, we have to mention the Year of Delegation. We have to give brief introduction. After reading once or twice carefully, we have to mention introductory points first of all, that why it is called Year of Delegation, why it is important, and why it is called so. It will be better if you read it 2-3 times and try to understand, then write in your own words. No need to learn by heart each and every point. The better way, just only to read it carefully and to keep in your mind. Then you have to write in your own words, simple words. Next heading we will write its effects on the last Hajj of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, because we see the people in abundance during the Hajj that was not at the time of delegations. So this change we have to mention, and it was the major effect and result of battle of just Year of Delegations. The second question we have detailed review of the Prophet's Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's conduct with delegations. So for this question we have to mention 1 or 2 lines, introductory lines about each and every delegation, mentioning some significant point done by the delegations that was specifically have been done with them by the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So better each and every point should be mentioned carefully. And we should also know the people they were in the delegation, from where they came, and what the Holy Prophet ﷺ told them. Delegation of Scape, delegation of Hamdan and Najran. So 60 people were over there. So this number and the special message we must have in our mind while describing it. The last question is almost unseen question. We have to answer this question keeping in view the lesson completely, and we have to write it in our own words by understanding the text of the lesson. Whatever the Holy Prophet ﷺ did with the delegation, the good conduct of the Holy Prophet, how can we get benefit by it? The first thing, by best method of just preaching, and the second one, hospitality and good morals. All the guests, they were warmly welcomed by the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and respect for differences. Even there were some different opinion, they had difference of opinion. In spite of that, the Holy Prophet ﷺ behaved them very nicely. Importance of education and just training and interfaith of or mutual understanding on the different religion, and by using the wisdom and the deliberations of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he just behaved very nicely with each and everyone. The same message is for today's Muslim, that we should also behave in the same way, so that other people, they would know the teachings of Islam and the reality of Islam. In conclusion, we have to write 2 or 3 lines, concluding lines, in order to sum up the question. So that is the question. Read it 2 or 3 times and write in your own words. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.